Okay, guys and gals, this is the update for February 18th, 2016. We absolutely nailed crude oil inventories today. Now, crude oil inventories, this is a crude oil chart. It comes out once a week, every Wednesday at 10:30 Eastern. If there is a holiday, which there was on this past Monday, then crude oil inventories get pushed. They'll get pushed to 11 o'clock on Thursday. So my traders in the live room know this. All right. So at 11 o'clock, we had a crude oil inventory release. At 8:30 this morning, I told my traders, if we get below 31 to 3109 and we retest that level, look for a J signal short with market delta confirmation. Sure enough, I called it 2.5 hours ahead of time. We got below my market profile levels here. It broke down. It retested. My J signal gives me the automated Fibonacci dots to show the area. And my market delta, which I'll show you, got us in at this swing for the big hit. Let me show you what is comprised with J signal here in my methodology. Three strong components. Listen, guys and gals, you can't trade these lagging indicators. Stop trading moving averages, the moving average convergence divergence, all these lagging indicators. No one knows if it's going to stop at the 200 or the 50-day or the 34-day or the 20-day. There's one trading software that sells it for $5,000 out there, and they use a 20-day exponential moving average. Come on. Moving averages are lagging indicators. That's not order flow. I don't care if you line the weekly chart up with the daily down to a 5-minute chart, down to a 2-minute chart when they line up. It's ridiculous. Order flow, market profile has worked since 1985. That's where you're going to see where order flow is. Market delta looks at the orders between the bid and the ask. That's order flow. Okay, you find imbalances like that. You don't find them for moving averages and things like that. It's crazy that traders actually use moving averages for support and resistance today. It's mind-boggling. But anyway, here is the low value area, and here's the high value area. Okay, this automatically comes on your Ninja chart. Once we break through market profile, we're going to look for the first retracement. Now, here's where J signal comes in. All these Fibonacci traders out here are trying to find, where's the swing high I use? Where's the swing low I use? Do I use yesterday's swing high? Do I use last week's, etc.? You're not going to be able to produce great results if you do not use the same technique on retracements. J signal automatically shows these retracements. The key is I have an order that I follow to find my setups. It's a 1, 2, 3 setup. Okay, I call it simple as 1, 2, 3. You break through low value area, which I called out 2.5 hours beforehand. I said 31 to 3109, break retest. It comes up, almost tests my number to the exact tick, right? 2.5 hours before that, I called this out in the live room. Look for it. Sure enough, my members saw it break. It retested. My automated Fibonacci's come up. Now, when these Fibonacci dots come up, what do we need to do? Our market profile is going to set the trade up. Now, listen, this is crude oil. This works on all markets. I got hundreds of traders around the world that use this in all different markets. It doesn't matter what markets. I don't care if you trade the S&P 500. S&P 500 follows crude oil. They follow each other back and forth, right? S&P 400, NASDAQ futures, Russell 2000. You want to trade copper? J signal works. You want to trade the 30-year bond? J signal works. You want to move over to stocks? J signal works. You want to move over to the Forex pairs, right? Where the cross pairs are against the US dollar? J signal works. It's these three components that you're going to cookie cut the same trade in no matter what market you trade. All right. I had a prop firm that called me, was very interested in J signal. Said, listen, we trade, we scout back and forth, crude oil, gold, for a few ticks here and there. How are you calling these trades out like this with the accuracy? I said, listen, the bottom line is market profiles work for 31 years. That's all you got to do. Market profile sets this thing up. This profile is going to work on your own Ninja charts. It's worked since 1985. Why do you need to use a lagging indicator like moving averages or moving average covert divergence, or try to find the next holy grail? There's no holy grail out there, guys and gals. You can only trade order flow. So with this high value area that automatically plots and the low value, you just wait for a break of these value areas, but that's not enough. You can't just trade market profile by itself. You need an area where to look for the retracement. My automated fibs come up. Look at them print right here. Print, red, 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 red. That's confluing. I go all the way up to 11.01 retracement. Who uses an 11.01 retracement? J signal does. So the bottom line is that these Fibonacci dots will start plotting after you break through LVA. But that's not even good enough for the area. Now I need to know the exact bar to get into. And that's where market delta comes in. So I use market profile to set the trade up. I use J signal to show the exact retracement area. And I use market delta to confirm the major sell imbalance between the bid and the ask. Check this out. Here's my market delta. I came out with a proprietary Renko bar, okay? I built my own server to put this Renko bar on my server so nobody can get it in these trade forums. Everybody have all the same Renko bars because NinjaTrader, you can't lock Renko bars, right? Well, I lock mine because mine's special. Because what it does, it actually color codes the Renko bars with the imbalances. Look at my sell here, negative 109 balance at a close. That tells you to enter at the open of this bar, or the close of this bar, or the open of this bar, right? Look how my system called that. Look at this sell imbalance. Now I made these bright red with white letters so you can see them, and I made these green with black letters so you can see them, okay? And they match up with my Renko bar. I made my Renko bar so it's the same color as the delta. So on that last retracement right here, watch this. Look how this works. That last retracement right here, we broke down through low value. You look for the first retracement. I called this out 2.5 hours even before it happened. Right there it is. There's my red Fibonacci dots. Look at market delta confirming the trade when they start plotting. Look how beautiful it is. Positive market delta, positive, 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 positive. Uh-oh. Major sell imbalance when J signal is at its swing high after it broke LVA. Then it closes right here at negative 109. Major sell imbalance. Anything over 100 is beautiful and crude on my Renko bar. Right? Then look at this. Not only is it great for entry, look at the trail you can use on this little guy. Beautiful trail. Now, here's a second trade. Look at the J signal of the second trade. There's my Fibonacci dots. Right? There's my Fibonacci dots. Look how market delta pops in the trade again. Check this out. Beautiful. Beautiful. Now, the good thing about my Renko bar, I'm going to tell you another little trick I use, okay? All these other Renko bars, you know, they have their different ways of doing things, but mine's unique. I look at two candlestick patterns called a doji and spinning top. Look at this swing high, spinning top. Look at this swing low, spinning top. Look at this low, spinning top. Look at this high, spinning top. Look at this low, spinning top. Hey, if you get a spinning top when J signal plots, get ready for a negative or positive market delta, right? And then once you enter at the close of this market delta, negative 109 here, negative 120, huge sell imbalances, place your stop only 2 ticks above that swing high. 2 ticks. That's it. Small stop, right? Let's go back to J signal real quick. How do you get out? You're like, Jay, that's awesome. I mean, listen, you're giving the exact bar to get into with a market imbalance. You're looking inside the market between the bid and the ask. That's excellent. I mean, that's just phenomenal. But how do you get out? The hardest thing, traders, is getting out, not getting in. I can tell you where to get in based upon market profile and J signal Fibonacci retracements. But the hardest thing for traders is where to get out. I got my proprietary scale dots right here. They're called my sim dots. Look how, if you're short here on the market imbalance, right, after market delta turns red, closes red, look how you can scale 50% of your position here. Next set of symmetry dots, scale 75% of your position there. And your ultimate goal is to get the third set of symmetry dots or the other side of market profile called a coast-to-coast trade. In fact, I heard another trader, she opened a trading room. She's using the same verbiage. She came in my room and learned how to trade my system. And now she's using the same techniques that I actually taught her how to use. It's kind of funny. She uses the same exact verbiage. I get this from traders. I train hundreds of traders around the world, hundreds. And I got over 600 traders just that trade news events only. And it's just funny that this is such a robust system. People are trying to cookie cut it now. They're trying to cookie cut to what we're doing in here. And that's great. I'm glad I can help traders out, because if I can help traders out to understand it's all about order flow, hey, I've done my job as a trader, right? My job is to educate you guys and gals just like I was educated in the late 80s, early 90s. I was behind some of the top institutional traders out there, some of the top professional traders who taught me some of these techniques. You know, and then I put it into my own proprietary way how to do it. My own indicators. All right. 3 indicators, guys and gals. That's it. Market profile finds the break. J signal finds the retracement, right? And then market delta gives us the entry. I mean, is that the 3 most powerful techniques you're going to find? Because we're looking inside of the market. It's not my opinion. This is not my opinion that this is a sell. That's the inside of the market telling you, right? My opinion was 8:30 this morning that if we break market profile, LVA, my opinion was let's look for a retracement. I'm trying to educate traders this morning, look for a retracement in short. But I didn't know market delta is going to turn negative 109 right at that level, right? I didn't know that, right? That's all order flow, my friends. That tells you to get in right there. Right when 109 prints, open it up, stop 2 ticks above the swing high. All right, that's my daily update for today. Hey, I got over 300 videos like this. You know, we're the only room around the world that is open 23 out of 24 hours a day. We got the market delta out all the traders, Jason out to all the traders. It works on your own Ninja charts. And if you don't have Ninja Trader, you don't have to come in to have it on your own charts. Come in and you can watch crude trade live and watch gold trade live. I got my market delta in there with JSignal. You guys have a great evening. We nailed it again today. And I hope you guys have a great one. Any questions, just go ahead and email me. And go visit our website. It explains this in detail, www.jsignal.com. Visit that website and it goes in detail how to trade this thing. You guys have a great one. Take care now.